I think it's a wonderful initiative. I wish something like this existed when I was in school, because to me, restaurant was all about cooking, which is not true. There's so much more to it.
Make sure the food gets out correctly. Make sure the food is warm when it gets out. Every little thing is taken care of by them.
Restaurants and hotel management is not about just cooking. It's actually about the management.
They are accepting, they are listening, they are good listeners, and they want to learn.
Provided us with a lot of valuable insights about social media and digital marketing. And moreover, all the creative professionals working here are highly supportive and
I find it really interesting how they approach each brand with a unique point of view. They think very creatively and out of the box.
So I feel that the initiative by GGIS for the externship program is a very brand new idea to bring students into the real life experience.
The work-based culture here is very informal, which has showed us that it can be very meaningful in helping the employees, team members form connections in the work.
It's a very great initiative by GGIS, and this will give an opportunity to even 10th grade students to learn practical things, and they'll get good experience at workspace, and maybe they can correlate this with their studies also.
interesting thing that I've learned over here is how you can manage companies' finances and how you can analyze the data and make reports based on it.